Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is your love reading for the month of October. So let's see Capricorn, hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well. You could find the messages resonating with your situation. So first I will pull out your energies, Capricorn, then I will pull out your person's energy, and then we could see a likely outcome. So let's see Capricorn. Hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff for Capricorn here. Seven of Wands, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, it's Five of Cups. So this is your energy. Some of you are still stuck in the situation. You are trying to, you are putting a lot of effort to keep this relationship alive, to be in this relationship, to carry forward this relationship. Lot of hard work. You don't want to give up on this relationship, Capricorn, that is what. But you are in a very sad state. You are, you are in sorrow, you are in pain. This is what I get here. So you are defending your position here. You want this relationship, and there are a lot of obstacles, but you stand strong, bold, and you want this relationship to work, and you are putting all the effort, but inside out you are stressed, you are feeling sorrow, you are feeling pain, you feel left alone. That is what you get here, Capricorn. So this is your energy. Let me pull out what else for Capricorn. So in pain, and it seems that you miss your person a lot. Maybe there is an issue, because there is an issue with the communication. There could be no communication or stopped communication, very little communication, distant. They could be at a distance, or they could be acting distant. So let us see what else we get here. Six of Pentacles with the Wheel of Fortune. So it seems that you want this relationship. Again, you can see here your person has been breadcrumbing you, like putting this is you and your person are not on the same page. It seems that one person is doing the most of the things, and the other person puts a very little effort into this relationship, doesn't want to work much on relationship. They are just here and there, they throw a few messages at you, so that just keeping the relationship alive, wherein you feel you can feel this Five of Cups, like that's making you worried, you are stressed about this situation, but still you want a relationship with this person to move forward. It seems you want this relationship to move forward. I mean, you want your person to understand what you want and talk about it and sort it, and together you want to be happy with them. This is what I get for some of you here with the Wheel of Fortune, especially if your person is like the four fixed signs: Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus and Leo. So this is what I get here. So imbalance, there need to be a balanced approach. So it's like Wheel of Fortune. You want things to move forward, and maybe with the Wheel of Fortune coming, there could be good times, that you could see some reconciliation here. I mean, better improvement in the relationship if there is a reconciliation. Let's see what else for Capricorn. This is the Emperor. So some of you are now, it seems, holding, so some of you you don't have an option here, so you are holding on your emotions now. You have control on your emotions, although you feel a lot about them, but you are being patient. You're trying to balance your life. This is Emperor. So if it's an Aries person or Sagittarius, you are putting a lot of effort to hold your emotions here. You are being patient. You are waiting for the right time to reach out to them, or you are waiting patiently for them to reach out to you. You have done a lot of messaging, and it seems they did not respond, or they are not replying back, or you are blocked. So you don't have an option but to just hold on your emotions, and you are healing. This is also a card of healing. So some of you are healing yourself and going with the flow. You are I feel that you are asking the divine to help you pass through this difficult times. You are asking the help of Almighty or the divine, so that you can just take this situation as it goes, going with the flow kind here. Temperance card. Some of you are, getting yourself distracted in work and other things, self-care, self-healing mode. Some of you might be, because your person is closed off now, they are at a distant or acting distant, and you can't do anything about it, so you're going with the flow, you're being patient. So this is what I get. 1 second, stop the card. Now we'll pull out your person's energy. It seems you feel cheated, Capricorn, here. This is what I feel here. Let's see what does Capricorn's person feel here. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with cards now. What is the energy for Capricorn person? What is the energy for Capricorn person in October? Just give me a second. These cards are, this is Mystic, Monday, so they're really shiny and slippery, and it's a new deck, so it happens sometimes. So Prince of Pentacle, Page of Pentacle. Okay, so some of the lovers, Ace of Cups. Now you have this Knight of Pentacle in reverse, Knight of Wands. I'll tell you one by one, and Three of Swords. So these are your person's energy. So for some of your person, if they are, especially Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they still have love for you, they still feel for you. That is what I get here. Maybe they are holding on for some reason, there could be some other reasons, but you might receive a message or a communication from them here, or an apology, or coming together with a reason why they are distant, or why because you get this Lovers card with the Page. So some of you, your person could reach out to you with a message, a communication. That is what I get with the Page of Pentacle and with the Lovers card. So if your person is a Gemini again, so Earth energy, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn again, and a Gemini, so it seems that they will try to reach out. Now we have another card, Ace of Cups with the Knight of Pentacle in reverse. So it seems that your person, although they have love for you, but they have given up now. They have given up. It seems that they do not want to work on this situation here. I will clarify this card. What does it actually mean? Although there is love, there is affection for you, but they have, see, bottom of the deck we have the Devil here. So you can see here there could be cheating there, so I don't need to clarify. I just saw this bottom of this is, it is either Capricorn card, or this is like some of you have been cheated, betrayal, third party situation, secrets being there, abusive. It could be maybe some of you are dealing with like an alcoholic or person who does substance abuse kind of. So there is something toxic, some negativity here. Maybe it's your person here. They are a little jealous also, Capricorn. That is what I get here. They are jealous, or they have this jealousy tendency. Don't know what is the reason. So there is a negative energy surrounding your person's energy here. This is what I get. But again, let me tell you, they are very much attracted to you, physical attraction. They have a lot of attraction for you here. Maybe sexual attraction is too high for them, and for some it could just be a they were in this relationship for a sex based needs, but maybe that could also be one of the reasons here, Capricorn. It shows your person's energy here. So of course there is cheating, betrayal, and some secrets still there. Then some of them are like, if it's three of, here I get again here Three of Swords and your Knight of Wands. So this Capricorn, again I feel this is your person's energy here. They want to with the Knight of Wands, this is fire energy again, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So it seems that they are heartbroken. Something else is going on in their life. It seems it could be related to their work, it could be related to their They could have another affair wherein they are going through a mess up situation. This is what I get here, because you have this devil card. Something else is happening there. So they are in a heartbroken, or they have moved away from you, or they are distant at you, or they had no communication with you here. So they are going through a different disappointment, a heartbreak, which could not be because of you, but could be of another third party, or some other issues in their work life too, maybe financial or any other issues. This is what I get here. But they do miss you, and you miss them a lot. At the end of the day, I feel you want them back into your life. I will just pull out a likely outcome. Likely outcome for Capricorn here. What could be the likely outcome? So it's Six of Swords, okay, Death, okay, and the Sun. So some of them will be thinking of moving away. You can see the cards here, Six of Swords. It's like moving away. So right now, I mean on October, some of them are moving. You might move away from the relationship, or they might. So of course, I feel there is a breakup here, and with the Sun card coming, it seems that it will be good for both of you here. It seems here you can see this Six of Swords, moving away from choppier waters to calmer shores. This is the Death card, transformation, end of a cycle, although very painful. But some of you are going towards this better conditions here, the Sun, towards happiness, because this has caused lot of stress. This has caused a lot of resentment, lot of sorrow in your life, and I mean this relationship could just not work anymore. Let me find out one more likely outcome here for Capricorn. One more likely outcome for Capricorn here. Okay, so it's Wheel of Fortune, great, the Emperor, okay, and Three of Pentacles. So it seems that some of you will reconcile, Capricorn here. It could be an Aries, it could be an earth sign here. You get of Wheel of Fortune, so reconciliation, things will be moving forward. Especially one person will reach out and will try to work and explain themselves that they want to work on this relationship and clear the air about what has caused the discontent or separation. So once this is done, it seems that there will be clarity, and you will reconcile, or you will move forward with this relationship. So some of you, especially with an earth sign here. So this is it, Capricorn. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you. Stay blessed.